Let's start with a challenging question. If you had the opportunity to travel to the past or the future, which period would you choose and why? This question not only focuses on our personal motivation, but also serves as a bridge to one of the most fascinating and alluring concepts in the world of science and literature: time travel. Time travel, this captivating and dazzling possibility of moving between different historical periods or unknown futures, has always left audiences in a state of wonder and astonishment, whether in the form of science fiction stories, where time explorers travel from the age of dinosaurs to distant futures, or through complex physical theories proposed by scientists like Einstein. This concept has always occupied minds. But is time travel merely a science fiction fantasy, or can it become a part of our reality? In this video, we will explore the scientific answers to these age-old questions, from physical theories to practical experiments that are attempting to better understand and perhaps even achieve this amazing possibility. Join us on this stunning journey through time, where the boundaries of our knowledge are constantly expanding. However, this topic has not deterred scientists from exploring and predicting future possibilities. Theories based on Einstein's special relativity suggest that by traveling at speeds close to the speed of light, we can alter the perception of time in such a way that time moves slower for the traveler. Experiments like the airplane clock experiments, where clocks on a high-speed flying airplane are compared with clocks on the ground, confirm this relativistic effect. These advancements, along with efforts to better understand quantum physics and how it interacts with relativity, are opening new doors for future research. Some scientists hope that by combining these two branches of physics, they can gain a more accurate understanding of the fundamental structure of the universe, and perhaps ways to manipulate spacetime. In the second part of the real-world time travel video, our focus shifts to the scientific experiments and projects that represent the first practical steps towards understanding and possibly one day implementing time travel. These efforts, albeit on a small scale and with significant limitations, demonstrate humanity's courage and creativity in facing one of the most complex scientific challenges. One of the most famous time-related experiments is the airplane clock experiment. In this experiment, two precisely synchronized atomic clocks are used. One placed on an airplane that flies at high speeds for an extended period, while the other remains on the ground. The results showed that the traveling clock on the airplane measured time slightly differently than the clock that remained on the ground. This difference, although minuscule, confirms Einstein's general theory of relativity prediction and shows that time varies based on speed and proximity to massive objects. Other research projects are underway that aim to uncover the secrets of time travel and the possibilities for its future implementation. Some of this research focuses on quantum theories and the potential use of quantum particles for sending information to the past or future. Although these ideas are still in the early stages of research, and there is much debate in the scientific community, they show the potential for revolutionizing our understanding of time and space. Alongside terrestrial
10,
experiments,
9,
space
8,
programs
7,
exist that,
6.
using more advanced equipment and the uncontrolled environments of space, aim to gather more accurate data about time travel and the effects of gravity on time. These programs, including spacecraft missions to space stations, allow scientists to test Einstein's general theory of relativity in conditions that are not replicable on Earth. In the third part of the real-world time travel video, we will examine the challenges and obstacles that lie ahead for this scientific fictional dream. Despite significant advances in our understanding of physics and theories of time travel, immense barriers remain that keep this concept out of our current reach. One of the greatest challenges is the issue of energy. Opening a wormhole or maintaining its stability requires an infinite or near-infinite amount of energy, something unattainable with our current technology. Additionally, the materials needed for the structure of wormholes, like negative matter or dark energy, currently exist only in physical theories and have not been discovered or produced practically. Another problem relates to the potential dangers that time travel could pose to spacetime itself. The stability of a wormhole and the safety of passing through it without causing harm to the traveler or the fabric of spacetime is a significant concern. Theories predict that without a stabilizing structure, wormholes might collapse rapidly and create unknown dangers. Furthermore, temporal paradoxes pose a significant theoretical obstacle to time travel. The grandfather paradox, where a time traveler goes back and kills his grandfather before his father is born, raises serious questions about the logic and ethical implications of time travel. These paradoxes point to deeper challenges in our understanding of time and the consequences of altering past events. Also, an issue less addressed is the psychological and social effects of time travel. Imagine someone traveling from the present to the past or future. The changes in temporal perception, social relationships, and even personal identity could be significant. Time travel requires not only a deep understanding of physics, but also an understanding of its impact on the human psyche and society. The cultural and philosophical impacts of time travel are topics that have occupied humanity for a long time. This concept has left a profound impact not only in the realms of science and technology, but also in literature, cinema, philosophy, and even religion. The unpredictable and extensive nature of time travel compels us to confront questions about existence, ethics, responsibility, and the consequences of our choices. In literature and cinema, time travel is often used as a tool to explore philosophical ideas, such as free will versus destiny, the concept of time, and its impact on human identity. Stories and films that delve into these themes allow us to experience what-if scenarios and reflect on the impact of our decisions and actions on the future and the past. Time travel in literature can also serve as a medium for social and political critique. Writers use this concept to show the potential consequences of today's policies and choices on the future, or to rewrite history in ways that might teach us better lessons from the past. From a philosophical perspective, time travel has sparked debates about the very concept of time. What is time? Is it a linear dimension that moves from the past through the present to the future? Or is it more complex and multidimensional? Time travel challenges our understanding of time as a linear sequence, allowing us to imagine that time might exist in forms beyond our current understanding. As we conclude this amazing journey into the world of time travel from scientific, historical, philosophical, and cultural angles, we have witnessed how time travel, far from being just a distant dream, serves as a field for deep scientific and philosophical contemplation. We explored how this concept in literature and cinema provides us with the opportunity to confront fundamental questions about life, ethics, and destiny. The important lesson from this journey is that time travel, whether in the realm of science or culture, is more than just a simple entertainment. It is an invitation to explore the concept of time, our own existence, and the world around us. It is a path that leads us to contemplate the consequences of our actions, our values, and the future we are creating. Now that our journey has come to an end, we invite you, dear viewers, to reflect on what you have learned. Has your perspective on time, life, and future possibilities changed? Do you now look at the world around you with fresh eyes? You have accompanied us on this path, and we hope that this virtual journey has been as valuable and inspiring for you as it has been for us. If you found this video engaging, please show your support by liking and sharing it. Share your thoughts on time travel and the parts that had the most significant impact on you with us. Remember to follow our channel for more intriguing and thought-provoking content. Every week, we explore new and astonishing topics that challenge and inspire you to think about the world around you and beyond.